Welcome to Iceland. We are heading to something Jador, some sort of perfume place in Iceland. It's meant to be the town where Walter Mitty was skateboarding. So I'm not going to see the road even. It's Walter Mitty. Walter Mitty. We are still in Seyðisfjörður, looking around the pond. I don't know what it is. So this is apparently where Walter Mitty was, I think, when he was leaving Iceland. Yeah, I don't know why I'm talking, but I'm talking. So bad, we just we're worried for our lives. We don't know what to do. We're concerned. We're very concerned. I just want to show my mum there's nothing to worry about. Sorry, Mum. These conditions are beautiful. I mean, Gil doesn't look worried at all.
No hands, Mum.
Yeah, look at the snow.
That's pretty much how much we've had since. Oh no. Wow.
Jesus. We're in a laundromat. Well, we're in a campground. We wanted to find somewhere to do laundry. No guest houses or B&Bs or whatever had anything. So found a campground. Gil's finally showered and doesn't smell as bad as he used to. Sure, he'll change that any minute with a something. Yeah.
Walter Mitty town.
Yeah, it's all Walter
Mitty skateboard.
Whoa,
Yeah.
sort of.
Sort of.
It's quite blizzardy outside. The car's been out there for no more than probably half an hour and it's already covered. So we should camp in here tonight. Gil laughs it off.